everyone, here is Janvi and Singh, the student of class 6B, and I'm here to talk about levers. In levers, I'm going to talk about the load point, the effort point, the fulcrum, types of levers, and the types of lever, the definition I will give to you. So let's get started. So first of all, what is lever? A lever is a rigid, straight, or can be bent. It is capable. It is capable of turning the fixed axis, and the fixed axis is called the fulcrum. Means the fixed axis is called the fulcrum. Let me show you. As you can see, here is one eraser and one pen. And the pen is on the eraser, and eraser is a fixed axis, so this fixed axis is called the fulcrum. Now let's come to the load point and effort point. Load point are that point that acts as a load is called a load point, and an effort point at which point it acts as a effort is called the effort point. And I have not told you about the load arm and effort arm. So the load arm is the distance from the fulcrum to the load is called the load arm, and the effort arm is the distance from the fulcrum to the effort is called the effort arm. The very good example of it is a seesaw. A seesaw is a good example of this, of lever. See, as you can see in seesaw, there is one thing under the which is the fixed point. As you can see, then in seesaw one fixed point is there, like this eraser, and two people, one people sit here and one people sit here. One people goes up and one person goes down, because now when the one first person goes down, here this is called effort and this is called load. Okay, because the person of this side is efforting to put the load up. So here is the effort point, and here is the load point. And there are three types of lever: class 1 lever, class 2 lever, class 3 lever. Class 1 lever, class 2 lever, class 3 lever. Now let's talk about these three levers. Now in the class 1 lever, the middle one, means in which the fulcrum is in the middle, like this is the fulcrum in class 1 lever, and the load is in this side, and the effort is in this side. Okay, so it means simply it means then when the fulcrum is in the middle and the effort is here and the load is here, so this is called the class 1 lever. So here is the load and here is the effort. So this is the effort and here is the load. Means in class 1 lever, fulcrum is in the middle and effort point is in right side, and the load is in left side. Now let's come to the class 2 lever. First of all, I will give you the examples of class 1 lever. Like I have given you the example of seesaw, and there are more examples like a pair of scissors. So now let's go to the second, that is class 2 levers. And in class 2 lever, the load is in the middle and effort is in the right side and fulcrum is in the left side. So the examples of it is like nutcracker, and bottle opener. So in a bottle opener, we effort the last point like this, and the load is the cap. So we put the opener the cap, and the cap is at that point it is the load, and the first and the that the first means the left side part is fulcrum. So like that only the bottle opener is the example of class 2 lever. Now let's come to the class 3 lever. It is in this class 3 lever, the effort comes in the between, and the load is at the right side, and the fulcrum is in the left side. Okay, and the examples of it is a pair of tongs, then a fishing rod. Okay, these two are the examples of the class 3 lever. Thank you.